I mean, initiative, then you should start. I think it would be much better.
Okay, I'm gonna start about the topic. Like, so today's topic is that how English is helpful in your life and how you are using it in your life. So, in my point of view, I would like to say like I have my goal and I'm working on it. That's why I learn this language for just speaking as well as want to have a very good power of communication. That's why I'm learning this because I was 2 times screened out in SSB, that is the interview of an army officer, and I know that I'm not able to communicate and I'm not able to express myself. That's why I want to learn this language, and that's why I maximum the time I just join this session to influence myself and influence my friends so that I can be a good speaker as well as a good person, so they can I can communicate my words in English. And whenever I roam with my friends, I use this language, and many times uh, they also mock on me because it is very hard at that moment when we have this. I mean, when I have my native language, then also I use this English language to speak or convey my message to them. So I'm using at that point also, and there were some seminars nowadays happening online, as well as some essay writing competition were going online and in my college. So I posted some of the photos and about the story as well as some on some essays, so that I'm gonna improve a little bit in this language. So these are the things that I am doing now, and moreover, I'm nowadays some of the panelists earlier, like Nabil, had mentioned about the podcast YouTube channel. So I day after day I listen some podcast that I like Jorgen podcast. I listen, and one few YouTubers are there
Logic in
whose
it.
videos I'm watching so that I can improve my English. So these are the things I'm doing now, and these are the things that help me to improve my English nowadays. Yeah, over to you, Sunil, bro.
Yeah. Okay. So now can I speak?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So okay. You finish from your side. So yeah, Vijay, you said right things, and yeah, there is a question. So more than my point of view, I think I should stick to the question, and the question is where it will help me and why I'm learning. This is question, Vijay. Why I'm can you repeat, Vijay, the questions, the two questions that I mentioned? Why I'm learning and where is the use of English language? I think this is the questions, as I know.
The- Hello. No, the question is that how
Uh,
this English language is helpful for you, and where you will
okay.
use it.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you. So where I will use it and how is it helpful for me? Yeah. So it's definitely helpful, and I think in this 21st century is definitely global language. So every country accepted its regardless of their own language or their cultures, credo cultures. It's globally accepted. So definitely, it's open opportunity for students and for job seekers. They can get job everywhere. If I have not knowledge of English, then definitely I'll miss opportunities. But I'm not saying here that who don't know the English language will not get good job or will not do better in their life. They will definitely do. But I'm saying it's a we are globally connected because of technology. Our economy is also connected, and we do things globally. So definitely English help us, and it help our business, and it also open many opportunities for students and for other persons. So definitely there is a reason to learn this language. And yeah, till now, how English language helped me. Okay, so earlier, I would say I had not much idea to okay, let me add here a scientific benefit of being bilingual. So bilingual term here we use for the person who know language more than one or two or three or four or dozen of language. So we use here bilingual. And there is another term that we use for a person who know only single language, that's called monolingual. So here a scientific proven study that's shown that who know the language more than two or three, they have much more capability than the person who know only single language. I'm not here talking about the IQ. It means that if you know two language or three language, and another person know only single language, and if you guys both confront with a same problem, if you deal with the same problem, then your approach would be different. You will think in a broad way, in another in many aspects. You will include many aspects to deal that problems. But person who know only single language, only mother tongue, their approach would be much narrow, and your approach would be broad. So there is a scientific benefit as well, and the study and the research also available on internet. You can go and check it out by yourselves. So yeah, this is also a good I think benefits. And it I heard from the psychologist, and I seen many videos that they shows that it increase our brain's capacity. If you know language more than two, then it's also increase your capacity, your ability to deal with problems, and your reasoning mind. So definitely there is a scientific benefit. And moreover, I'm not sure about it, but I heard that if person who know only single language in their entire life, they only have a single language knowledge, their mind would get old before 5 years if compared to a monolingual mind. So I'm not sure about it, but I heard. So there's a lot of benefits, and how it's going to help in my life. So okay, till now I didn't get any help apart from such I mean knowledge, no any money I get from it. But I just want to ensure myself that in future I get any opportunity, so I don't want to lose that opportunity because of English. I don't want to regret in my life that just because of English I lose this job or this opportunity. So that's why I'm also focusing on learning. And yeah, over to you, Drew, Neha, whoever want to talk.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Sunil, firstly, let me know that in my side there is a lot of noise, background noise, or am I audible?
No, no, you are perfect. Your voice perfect. I'm unable to see your visual,
It's fine.
but your voice is perfect.
And Neha, can you see my video? Just because I have opened my video.
Yes, yes, you are totally
Some breathing,
visible.
except some breathing noise, except some breathing heavy, like kind of noise.
Dhruv, you
Your
are
voice is perfect.
visible,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Just because, just far from my place, it's
but you
around.
are visible to me.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. No
I
issue.
think rest are visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think I kind of internet connection is like telling me internet connection is stable. And just far from my home, it's around 100 meters away. There is a kind of manas going on. That's why I background noise at that time. Okay. So the topic that we have taken, I think you, Monty and mentioned. So let me also mention my. I will mute after that. So at least there will be, there will be no disturbance. Okay. So when it comes about the English, definitely currently I'm using the best example that we can see right now, that we are communicating with each other, right? And there can be such kind of Zoom sessions or English practice sessions with which we can also create with other countries' boys and girls, right? So it is the only medium. English language is only the single medium that we can interact with different cultures, people, and also not only outsider of country but also inside our country. Take example of Venkatesh. Venkatesh can't speak in Hindi, right? He can either speak in his mother tongue or in English, just because he's from South. And mostly in our India, we know people who are from South, they barely speak Hindi language. Either they speak in their own mother tongue or in English language, right? So also in our India, and just because I have talked also with so many people, so definitely it plays a great and vital role to in terms of communication, whether we are going outside or not. So this was the first and foremost reason for me. Like when I started this English language, at least I can communicate with more and more people. And what I believe, if we know at least the first language, definitely the mother tongue that we are speaking, that is how we can connect to our loved one, or like neighbors or our colony people, or maybe in our cities, right? And apart from that, if somehow we manage to speak English language and to understand and able to communicate, I think this will be a best option for you. Just because with the help of English, not only we can survive in our India, I think Hindi and English, these are the most two language, if you know, you can easily survive in India, right? And also apart from India, just because so many countries, they have accepted English language. I mean, just as a spoken or a communication medium, right? And it is also a language of technology. And apart from it, if other people, if anyone wants to learn any new language, that's a great thing. I mean, learning new language, it also improves your brain capacity, and it's all up to you. But currently, in my case, I'm happy with at least this language. I will improve it more and more, and even in future, I will use it to communicate with my colleagues, with my friends, and with new people whoever I'll get connected. And also where I will work, I will use there. And most of the time, I also use to listen something. Just because so many people, there are lots of content, but it's not translated all the time in our mother tongue. So I think the English should be a best medium at that time, or it can be a best medium so we can understand. And when I was a child, at that time I have also heard there are lots of books which has never translated in any other language, but they are in English language, mostly so many books, whether it's a textbook, whether it's a personality development books, or whether whatever the books it is. And also so many TV shows and TV series, movies, whatever it is. At least we have option that we can consume whatever the data we want if we know this language. That's why I think even currently I'm learning, and even in future I will improve it. If there will be more need, if I'm going any other country where other language is necessary, then definitely if they can't understand me, then I think I can learn new language. Otherwise it will be at least fine for now. The current circumstances is telling me that it's okay. I have to make it better. That's it. So this is from my side. Now, Kajol, Neha, anyone can keep their points on.
Yeah, I'm starting actually.
Yeah.
You can.
Otherwise, I have a lack of network issue after that, maybe. So yeah.
Yeah, actually, my 90% almost finished,
Yeah,
but it's
same here.
just I got message right now, so that's why I'm just worried.
Okay,
Maybe
okay,
what?
go ahead. Go ahead, Nia.
It's okay. I can wait.
Okay. So, in my opinion, why I am using English? So, the first reason is that, nowadays most of the people use this language, and when you don't know how to speak, then you lose your confidence. So I think first of all, my first reason is that when I used to speak English, I feel confidence in front of them, I think. And I feel confidence to make my points very easily. So I think that's my first point. And second point is that, as Dhruv mentioned, that there's a lots of reason, like if you want to increase your knowledge, or if you want to improve, if you want to communicate with people, so people in large number from other countries or other cities, then you have an option, you have a language from which you can communicate with people very easily. So I think that's a great reason. Like now, as Dhruv also mentioned about the books, like most of the books are written in English only. So at least we got a different kind of knowledge from this language, and we got new opportunities from this language. Like nowadays, if you are in job sector, if you are in any sector, so I think at that time also you need to communicate with your clients in English. So at that time you feel confident, you feel like you feel confident to talk with them. So I think that's a very very important reason to learn English. And I think the next reason is that I really enjoy when I used to talk in English. So I feel good. I feel good. Internally I feel very good, and I feel very much confidence. And how like if one more question, Dhruv, was like, why are you using it? And one more question is what? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, Kajol, you are audible.
The second question was what?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
How is
where I
useful
generally
for you?
used it. So yeah, I'm using it to communicate with my friends sometimes. And when I have, like nowadays, I have to do, like I have to give some interviews. And in college also I need to talk with teachers. So at that time I'm using it. And I think nowadays, when I call to the customer care of Amazon or any calling, if I have some problem, so generally I used to talk with them. So I think when I used to talk with them in English, I feel good. So yeah, that's my views. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Neha?
Hope so. All are you fine? And as we know that today's topic is what the importance of English language and what the uses of in your daily life. Yeah, in your life. So as we know that the English language is a global language. So through it's and according to me, it's this why I want to learn this language, because not only for that it's help in your grow of personality. I also want to learn because I want to learn many more than three language in my life. So firstly, we know that's a Hindi. We all know that, and the second one is English, which I am learning, and the last one which I want to learn is French. But because I read somewhere. According to them, that's in your life at least you have to know more than two language. That's why I'm learning this. And also I thought it's a help in your interact with not only your surrounding, it also help in you can interact and contact with the as an international level. As we know that we are going somewhere and we are not able to understand their language, so we can easily communicate in this language because this is a very common language. And this it's taught by in every school and every education center and everywhere. So and this also I have my second point of view on this language. I think yeah, you have need to learn this language, but not too much in your life. And if you don't know the English language or any other language, so don't think like you don't know anything. And also one thing, I never comparison the personality development and any other thing to the language, because according to me the communication skills never just by the language, because the communication skill is something which is in you, like how to talk with someone and how to present yourself. This is much somewhere you know the language very well. Like we can take an example, but he don't have manner to how to talk, he don't have manner to how to handle his or himself, how to present himself. So your language is like it's going to be waste. So the we can't mix both of things, like the personality with the language. If you don't know the language, doesn't matter. But if you know the communication, how to communicate and how to represent yourself, this is that's much. And so this is all. And also one thing I want to mention, that we should never think like we are inferior. Like if we don't know the multi language and other thing. So and last one thing, why I told you why I want to learn this language, only because of this, because I want to learn more than 2 or 3 languages, but I am not learning this language because for the personality and many more things. Yeah, everyone is a good in their point. Why? Because I love my mother tongue. This is you can say like यार ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा देशभक्त type हो गया, patriotize, but not like this. I really love my mother language, and I never lose to my mother language, because what happened, you know what, as we globally know that this the foreigners is come and they were rule in ourselves, so this language is just gone beyond in our in every countries, and we are just learning. So it's like, yeah, but oncoming days, we all know that the government makes a rule. If you don't know the language, like the mother language
You got muted.
should be first in our oncoming days. And I think this is very nice initiative. And yeah, but I'm not also against with this language. I really love it. That's why I'm here. And so we can just keep doing. And this is all about from my side. And thank you so much for listening.
Dhruv, can I mention some point?
Yeah, Kajol, go ahead.
Okay.
I think
Like Neha said,
Kajol,
that I think, okay,
Monty has
Dhruv,
spoken or not? I think he has spoken, right? He has kept his
yeah.
point of view. Yeah, okay. Kajol, go ahead.
Can I?
Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay. So I was talking that like as Neha said, Neha was right that we don't we don't just forget our mother tongue or many things. But why we are learning, we can't deny that nowadays English is very important part of our life. If we want to explore ourselves more and more in international level, so I think at that time we generally used it. And it's not like that if it's like the today it is about if you talk about the today's question, it is only about like why are you using English, and how it will be helpful for anyone. So I think at that time, no doubt English is very important. But I think
Is
if you
this
talk
my
about the language, yeah, I'm not denying it, actually. I'm just saying that if
okay?
you talk about the language, that language is important or not, English language is compulsory, so I think it is not for survival. For I think if you have the mother language, then you can easily survive and you can easily like live in your surroundings. That is very easy. But if you want to explore yourself in international or in a good level, so then you need to grow up, you know
Even
other
in
than
your
mother tongue.
place.
Because if you talk about the Narendra Modi, then he had given the speech in Bihar in Bhojpuri language. Why? Because he want to explore his network. If he went to the Gujarat, then he generally
Yes,
used
yes,
to
yes.
talk in Gujarati. So
Yeah.
why? Because he want to explore his network. So I think we are not denying that we all love the mother language, but if we want to explore ourselves, so we need to update ourselves. So that's my point only. So I'm not denying or I'm not against anyone. That's my
No, no.
point.
Yes, we can't deny it, because obviously this is an
Mm.
international language and we have to learn.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
it's a need. We can say it's a need, like
it's a need
definitely
if
Yeah,
you
we
want
I
to
think
grow,
everywhere.
right?
yeah, we can
ev-
Because
become
when we are going to go when we are going to give interview, as well everywhere, so everyone are just ready to take an interview in English.
English.
I
Yeah.
don't think
True.
why, because maybe they think, yeah, this is very much, yeah, no, because we are just consider this
It
language
is
much.
not compulsory, I think.
Yeah, but not compulsory. But
Yeah,
in most of place we are seeing this situation, so that's why we are here.
Like
But
in
it's
fact
okay.
in
We have to
India
learn.
also. Mhm.
Just like I said that, like in our life we have to try, learn more and more language, and this is very nice
No doubt.
thing. Through this you can contact and connect with many more people in different language, and this is very nice thing.
And in fact in India, if you go to the south, So you need to learn English if you don't have the Tamil, or if you don't know the
Yes,
Telugu
yes,
language. So you
yes,
need to know the English. So at least I think English is nowadays a in global language. So I think we
yes,
should
yes.
learn. It's
This
not
is a
about that we are accepting the foreign country or anything, but
yes,
it's
yes, yes.
about how you easily communicate with people. I think that is
Yes,
really
because this is
important.
a medium. Nowadays, this is
Yeah.
a medium to talk
Right.
with
Right.
anyone. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
But
It's
also we should
also
never
not about
forget
the
other
talk.
language.
Yeah. Yeah. Obviously. Obviously, we should.
And like
We
you
should
can take the
never.
example like
Obviously.
everything.
Lots of people I have seen in my
I'm
life.
saying like
If they just
everything that is coming in the English language.
yes,
Yeah, I was
okay.
saying that everything like I want to be an army officer. So I had also this question like why in SSB why the officers prefer to speak English. So an officer just told me like you have a communication letter, like you have the communication letter of different countries. So that comes in the only English language because it is a global language. So you must know this language. That's why in that interview it is very compulsory that to speak English so that you can communicate with other foreign members as well as the other members. And every missile system or every torpedo system, submarine system, they have only this language. The codes were in this language only. That's why.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's great. Sunil, you want to say
and
something?
and I think guys,
Yeah.
yeah, and I think guys, all social media, and I think almost all websites, they all are formed in English and they provide content in English language. So I think it's open many way for us to get information. And you also guys mentioned one thing about the books, that majority of books, not all are, but majority of books in written in the English, and TV series and movies, great movies, they made in English. So I also want to share something, my personal experience, that whenever I started to learning about the psychology and mind, so I searched many time over the YouTube and over the internet, and I been through many Hindi professor or many Hindi I mean knowledgeable persons. They said their knowledge. So I found a very big difference between the, I'm not here undermining the Indians knowledge, but I'm saying that if you know English, and if you get knowledge from other countries like from USA, UK, or Australia, then we will get broad idea about our problems. And I already mentioned, no need to mention again, the scientific benefit of being a bilingual, because bilingual, it's really large our mind, and there's a scientific proven data, you can go and check it out. So no need to mention here, but I just want to say that I think it's 21st century's need, and it's more than need. So I think we should learn, and I think we should more, we should get more accuracy as well, so we can communicate. And I still remember my one of trip of south in Karnataka. I went, I got a lot of trouble because I had no idea how to pronounce. But that time I was able to pronounce like tea, coffee, and rupee, many things that common and everybody know. So that time I realized that knowing English is a common language in India. Still, we need to know English if you want to explore in the south side. If you wanna go in southern side, Kerala or Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, then it really helps us to communicate. And more out of India, obviously, is a common language everywhere, so we can get knowledge from each and every fields because of English. And it's really I think helpful for everyone's in science or in medical, or especially in the corona situation. Now we can get update from any country, and more than update, we can get information about the corona and about the vaccinations. So that's really, I think it's also help in such pandemic or epidemic in any country, and help and
Yeah,
connect people. I think connect people, yeah, culture as well.
connect to people, exactly. And this is why we must be
Yeah.
open. Like it's just normal, like you all guys have already mentioned,
And Dhruv,
right? That
yeah, Dhruv, I will just take 30 seconds.
Mhm,
I got a authentic knowledge that
mhm.
if you know two language, I'm not talking here about the Hindi and English. I'm talking about the two language. If you know the two language, then it's a scientific proof that if you get any problems, if you going through any emotional problem, and you are not getting any solution in your mother tongue, if you confront a problem and there is a blur on your eyes, you are not able to get the solution, then if you switch your mind in your another language, in your second language, definitely you will get a much better solution. This is scientific proven. You can go and check it out. I read about many times this method, and this work really. And in my case, it also work. Whenever I have too much difficult problem that I couldn't find, spending hours and hours, and I couldn't find the solution, then I switch my mind to completely in the English, not use any single word of Hindi or my mother tongue Marwari. Then definitely I get solution, and a concrete solution. So this is also scientific proven. You can experiment by your own, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, over to you, Dhruv.
that's great.
I think Sunil, this is a new thing that we know.
Even I
Because
also,
No,
I never heard.
yeah,
Actually, this is a new
you
thing for me. Maybe it is possible. I'm not denying, but it is new. I will definitely try.
yeah, it's new, and you can guys go and check it out. It's really interesting. More
Yeah,
than data, it's
interesting.
really
Exactly.
interesting. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, guys.